Hey guys, this is Frost595 from the FrostAssociation, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a survival games server. Now, you have to get the bucket. Now, bucket is, there's three servers. There's, I think, Spout server. There's Spout, Bucket, and just the normal Minecraft server. Now, you need bucket. I'm pretty sure this will work on Spout as well, but Bucket is 10 times easier. So you want Bucket. There's two ways you can do this. There is port forwarding and Hemich. Now, Hemich is the easiest. I am not going to do it today. I'm not going to do the port forwarding or Hemich. I will leave a link in the description below on how to do it in Hemich or port forwarding. And but I am going to show you how to download and get it set up. Now, Hemich does is really easy, really simple. It changes your IP to an IP of theirs that you choose, and then it runs it on that. You still have to run it off your computer though. But the only problem with Hemich is the people who come on your server also have to have Hemich. Now, that is not the best thing to have. I like port forwarding. I use port forwarding. I understand port forwarding. What you do is you open a port through your router so that people can come in and people can go out. And that's how that works. So, what you want to do is you want to open up Safari, Firefox, whatever. And I opened up Firefox. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm going to open up Safari. And I believe... is that downloaded? No, okay. I'm gonna have to re-download it. So my Safari crashed before, I don't know why. But what you want to do is you want to type up bucket. K-I-T. B-U-K-K-I-T. And you want to go to Bucket Forums. You want to click on that and wait for it to load. You want to... oh, by the way, guys, server, no matter what the port forwarding, will always work on localhost, and I think it may work on LAN. Now, you want to go get craftbukkit, sorry. I'm having a bit of a blonde moment, even though I'm not blonde. Okay, Windows. If you're a Windows user, grab this. If you are a Mac user, also grab this. If you are a Linux user, grab this. Make sure you grab that if you're a Linux. Because see how Mac doesn't have this? You can also click on this if it won't run it, and that'll install the Java, but I'm pretty sure most of you will have a later version than what they're actually wanting you to get. So you want to download this. Now this could take just a little while. Yeah, it's gonna take about 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, I keep grabbing that. Why it's doing that, we're gonna go grab some plugins. Now, the first plugin you do want is survival games. Make sure you put survival games plugin, and then you want to hit enter. Now, it should come up with something like this. As you can see, I've already been here. And the link should be dev.bukkit.org. You want to click on that, and it'll open it up. And it's going to come up with this page. It might look a bit different in the future, so don't take me on that. And you want to go download. Click download. And then you want to click download again. And that should start downloading. Then you want to go and grab World Edit. This will not work without World Edit, so please get it. It even said in the description it will not work without World Edit because it needs it to select what it wants. Oh, by the way, in this tutorial, Now, I'll make another tutorial on how to use the plugin. So, thanks for that. Yeah, why did it come up with this? Oh yeah, okay, you gotta click this and it should take me there. Okay, you're gonna click this download button and then the download again, same as before. Now, I normally always grab Essentials. Essentials is so good. It lets you do warps. TP is so much easier. Game mode, all you have to do is type /GM instead of /game mode, your name, and then 1 or 0. So you definitely want, well, you don't need to, but most of the servers have it. I have it. I recommend it. And for this video, it's just a lot easier, so I'm going to get that. Now I want to grab this Essentials command, and you want to grab it, if I can get it. And then here's the core. You want to grab this core download. This will give you like all of them. The extras, I haven't tried out the extras. I'm pretty sure they're just extra add-ons. And one more thing. Yeah, I need to go back to Bukkit, guys. Sorry about this. I didn't grab the startup script. You definitely want one of these because unlike the normal Minecraft.jar .jar like runner, it doesn't just run it off the jar file. You actually have to go and grab these scripts. Now it goes blah blah blah. Where is it? Here we go. Bin. This is for Mac. Okay, you want this one for Mac. Now you can also grab that one for Linux and these ones for Windows. If you use Bukkit servers and you know how they all work and everything's perfect and you're really good at it, you want to grab this one. But I doubt any of you are watching this video because you'd already know how to do this. So you want to grab this and you want to go copy. Okay, I'm going to quit as Safari here. And I'm going to open up Notepad. Now you can open up, well actually it's called Text Edit. Text Edit comes with most of the apples. I think it comes with all of them. You want to grab this and you want to paste it in there. So you just copied it and then you paste it. And now you want to go File, Save, and then it'll come up with this, and you want to make it down here. You do not want it on rich text format. You want it on plain text. It will not work if you don't have it on plain text. Now just call this, so you can call it anything. I'm just gonna call it server under dash server start dot command. Now you need dot command. This will change it into a shell which runs it as which runs the program. So that's been changed into a shell. Now you want to open up your downloads and pull out the craftbukkit, and I'll pull them others out later. You want to make a new folder, just call it pretty much anything, just call it server for the sake of it. Normally they tell you to make it craftbukkit or bucket. You want to grab these two, drag them in here, and now you want to open up terminal, otherwise this won't work. So you open up terminal, you want to bring it over here, and I haven't made a server in a long time. I have sort of forgotten how to do this. And then you want to do that, and it renders the file. So chmod like gives it the permission, and then we just want to open this up. And I do not know why it's doing that. Ah, yes, that is why it's doing that. See this craftbukkit? You have to rename that to craftbukkit.jar. You cannot have all these random spacing stuff. I'm just going to go delete them. Yeah. Okay, you want to run this. Sorry guys about that. And it's going to run, it's going to load up. It's going to take a little while. Normally it doesn't take this long, but it's just building the world and building the Nether and the End, and it's building all these text files in here. That was only two files, that, and now it's getting up to this. And this is it building it here. So it's just built the plugins folder. So yeah, it's all good. Now you want to go in and stop this. So type stop for stop. It saves all the chunks and it stops. Yeah, there we go. It stopped. Okay, now you want to grab this and you want to go into your plugins, and now all you need to do is go into your downloads or wherever you have your thing, and you want to grab out Essentials, World Edit, and the Survivals. Now you want to open up Essentials and you want to grab all of these jars, every single one. You don't need Protect, but it's always a good option to have. You want to drag them in there. That just protects your thing from fire, lightning, all that kind of stuff. And now this one, all you need to do is grab this world edit. That's all you need to do. All that other stuff you do not need. That's just other stuff. Okay, now with the survival games, you want to grab this survivalgames.jar. You want to put that in there, and it's good. Okay, and then you want to go back to your server.start command, run it again, go back to our plugins file. You'll see you'll start creating folders for them, and inside them they will have like what they need and everything. Okay, I do not know what it just said. Oh, okay. This is just an error message coming from our survival game saying that you do not have anywhere to store it. So I'm going to stop that again. And it is saving. Okay, good. Now you want to go into your web browser and you want to type up free MySQL. Free MySQL, and it'll come up with this one, freemysql.net. You want to go to that one. There are a lot of free MySQL sites, but I got recommended this by another user who uses the same plugin to do this, and I find it's really good. Now you want to sign up. I've already signed up, but all it does is ask you for your email and stuff. You don't even have the right email. You can just make it up or anything. Gotta find the sign in button. I think it's in the sign up. So I'll just go here, and it should have a login. Here we go. I'm not familiar with this site. You only really need to use it once. So I'm gonna type in my username, and then I'm gonna type in my password. Then I'm gonna log in and hope this is right, which I think it is. Login success. Please wait. Yeah, this will not load on my browser. Oh wait, it will. Okay, so I have the manage. You go to manage database. It's the first thing you do. Now it's gonna ask you to make a database here, like database name used for. I've already got one. It's called Frosty595 because the other name was taken. So you just make a database. So just some random, and then useful. In useful, just put survival games, SURVIVAL games, and that just tells them what you're using the database for. So that's all you have to do. And then you just click add database. Now you want to scroll down here, and you want to grab this. Grab that. Copy that, because that is where your thing is. And now you want to, I'm just going to minimize this so I don't lose it. You want to go back into your survival games. Sorry. My throat's a bit dry this morning. You want to go into your config, and you want to scroll down to here. This is the MySQL, and the host name, you want to change that to what you just had, Command V, which is shortcut for paste. Yeah, it's in the same line. Now, port does not matter. I found that out. Port does not matter. Root name. Now, root name is your username. So, you want to do that to Frost595. No, it's Frosty. That's right. I'll be using my other one. And then we want to go into password. So, I'm not going to type that in because you guys will see it. And then database, you want to change that to Frosty. Sorry, that is Frost595. And this is Frosty because that's the database I created. The prefix doesn't matter. Okay. And now I'm gonna get out of that. And then going to, and that's how you make one. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to make another thing on how to use it, how to make arenas, and stuff like that. So, thanks for watching. If you liked, thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thanks for watching the video. Hope you like. See you next time. The file we made last time. And I brought all that